Andy, sounds like a great show. Don't change that dial, but we have our favorite segment here, our top picks with Michael Hakes. Michael, your first top pick here is Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX on the NASDAQ. Why is this your top pick?
Yeah, thanks a lot, Dave. Yeah, this is a company we've owned before, and we actually bought earlier this spring when they reported a very tough Q1. With China shutting down again with COVID, and Starbucks actually pulled China guidance completely. Also, they were having supply chain issues, and as we all know, input costs rising, pressure on margins, et cetera. And to top it all off, the current CEO announced that they were retiring like earlier than expected. And then they announced that Howard Schultz, the founder, was coming back for the third time to save the day. So that's actually probably good news. So even though the stock has recovered from the lows, we still like it. And we expect it to deliver healthy returns as China reopens and costs come under control. And if you look at store penetration levels of Starbucks in the US, you'll see that they, with 15,600 odd stores, they have about one store for every 20,000 people. Looking to China with 5,700 stores, they have about one store for about 250,000 people. So I'm not saying that they're going to ever get to the US penetration, but they have a long runway of store growth within some markets. We think Starbucks can trade back to previous highs over the next 12 to 18 months, back into the 110, 120 range, so up 20% or so.
Just a quick follow-up there, Michael. Any concerns about their recent unionization efforts at Starbucks?
Yeah, I've been following that closely. There's been a lot of back and forth with accusations here and there about them closing stores who were slated to be unionized. I think this is, not to make it not important, but this is something that goes on with all larger retailers, or even small retailers, in terms of making it the right fit for employees and the corporate entity. It's important to have all stakeholders happy.
All right, we've got 3 minutes left. Let's get these two remaining top picks out of the way. AstraZeneca, another pharmaceutical giant. Why is this one your top pick too?
Yeah, drugs are flavor of the day today. So AstraZeneca is a global pharma company, as you may have guessed. Its main segments are in oncology, respiratory, immunology, and something called CVRM, which means cardiovascular, renal, and metabolism. Try and say that 5 times fast. After 7 years of flat sales and EPS growth up to 2019, the company has really undergone an R&D overhaul. And this is now one of the best growth stories in pharma, and it trades a reasonable valuation. They have a strong and diversified pipeline of new products in all their segments, and that should help drive the double-digit sales growth and EPS growth that's expected through 2025. Some of those drugs include Tagrisso for lung cancer and Crestor for lowering bad cholesterol. There have been some headwinds from pricing pressure in China, and COVID-19 is still impacting diagnosis and treatment rates, especially in oncology. But we think their valuation reflects these short-term concerns, and we could see over 20% upside over the next 12 to 18 months into the mid-80s. We're positive on AstraZeneca.
All right, and our final top pick, we have just about 1 minute left here. It's neat.com, silent K there, but ticker symbol KSI on the TSX. Michael, why is this one of your top picks?
So very quickly, I probably need more time for this, but I don't have it. It's a small software company based in Ireland. It's listed on the TSX, and its market cap is about 230 million. Its expertise is within the little-known validation and compliance processes market of the life science industry. Neat has developed an enterprise software platform to digitize and automate and document intensely regulated processes. This is something that was done paper-based before. Today, they are focused on this validation process within the life sciences industry, and this is intensive. It requires every manufacturing process, product, piece of equipment, and computer system that is supposed to be designed and tested to ensure that the products are consistently manufactured to a high quality and would not risk patient safety. The barriers to entry are very, very high. This is a highly regulated environment. They have Neat customer list includes 8 of the top 10 world's largest pharmas, plus many of the top 20. They have 60 contracted customers, and their pipeline is huge. So, thank you.